Good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In the today's session now we are going to discuss about a command called grep command in the Linux. So what is the purpose of this grep command? How it will work? Now we are going to see. Actually grep command having the acronym that is global regular expression programming. This is the full acronym of the grep command. The main purpose of this grep command is used to find the particular pattern or particular word or particular group of the characters in the given file. So to find particular pattern. What is a pattern actually? A pattern is nothing but a group of words or a word, it is group of characters or a word, simply it is called as group of characters or simply a word. That is the purpose of the grep command. So the syntax of the grep command is nothing but $grep option file name. The word, the pattern, whatever you want to search, and the followed by the file name. Grep option pattern file name. That is the syntax of the grep command. Hi. And now we see the options of the grep command. What are the various available options of the grep command? The first we see -c. The number -c displays the total number of the lines where that particular pattern or the particular word is present. The next one is -n. -n displays the total number of the lines where that particular pattern or the word you are going to search for is present. The next one is -i. -i is simply used to ignore the case, whether that is the case that is capital letters or small letters, uppercase or lowercase. It doesn't bother whenever you use the -i option, ignores the case. And next one is -l. -l list of the files where that particular pattern or the word you are going to search for. And the next one is -v. -v is used to display the lines only which are non-matched for that particular word. And the next one is -e. -e where you want to specify one expression, you want to select for, you want to try to search for one particular expression, then you have to use this -e. And the next one is -f. -f is used to take pattern from one pattern per one line. Okay. -w. -w is used to match the whole word. The entire word will be matched for this -w. The next one is -o. -o is used to print only the matched patterns. The next one is -e. -e, capital E, here small e is used to expression. Whenever you want to search for any kind of the expression, then you can use the -e. Here capital E. Capital E is used to specify that particular word as the expression, that is ERE, that is extended regular expression. Okay, so the expression will be regular, extended regular expression. Like that, this grep command having certain number of the options. -c, -n, -i, -l, v, e, f, w, o, e. These are the main options that are going to be used with the grep command. And one more thing here we need to see is the grep command having some variations also. These variations are nothing but egrep and as well as the fgrep. See here I will draw what is the variation, what are the variations for the grep command. See, this particular grep command is divided into two types. The first one is extended grep and the next one is fgrep, stands for fixed grep. Okay, these two are the various variations of the grep commands that we are going to see. Hi, and now we see the various variations of the grep. These are ticked as the grep types. What are the various types of the greps? The first one is nothing but egrep. and the second one is nothing but fgrep. Whereas egrep is called as the extended regular expression grep, and fgrep is called as the fixed grep. Okay, the small short notation is given as extended grep and fixed grep. Extended grep is denoted as the egrep and fixed grep is denoted as fgrep. Now, what are the things relevant to the egrep? Now we are going to see. Extended regular expression, it prints lines matched patterns only. So it prints certain kind of the lines where the matched pattern appears. Those lines only it prints. And the next one here, most of the options are same as your grep command, except so only some of the options are given for the egrep. So what are they now? We are going to see. See, most of the options same as the grep, and -r is only one option that is used to recursively searches the patterns in the files for the extended grep. So this is nothing but the egrep. We called as extended regular expression that prints the matched lines only, and most of the options are same as your grep command except the -r. Okay, -r is used to recursively searching purpose. And next we are going to talk about the fgrep. Fgrep is used to find the character set, fixed character set in the fixed characters in the search. And here one more option is there. We can search the fixed character or fixed character set from the multiple files also. And so the options are same as the grep command except -e and -f. -e here we call it as the pattern list. It is called as pattern list. Search for a string in the pattern, and -f it is called as the pattern file. Whenever you give such a kind of the pattern files, -f option is used. It is going to be searched for such a kind of the pattern in the list of the files. So -e is used to search for the given set of the strings. What are the strings matched it is going to give, and -f is used to whenever a list of the files are given, among the number of the files where that particular word is appearing, that can be given by the -f. Like that, these two are the variations like egrep and fgrep. So these are the various variations of the grep command. In the coming videos, the practical session also we see regarding this grep command. So to follow our videos, please subscribe our channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you for watching.